So in this video, we're going to show you how to put your GCS cab kit on a machine and configure your control box correctly. So first, if we don't have a permanently mounted radio, you're going to take your SNR radio, put it on the machine, connect it up. Then we're going to get our GPS receivers and coil cords on the machine. And then lastly, you're going to have your CB460 screen that's going to get mounted in the cab. We have a RAM ball on the back of this one and a RAM mount on the dash. Different machines might have different setups. If yours doesn't have a RAM mount setup, you'll have to find the specific bracketry for that specific machine. Some might be like a glove box mount or something different. So if your machine file is not already in the control box, you'll have to get that MCH file for that specific machine. On your USB stick, it's going to go in the all folder, which will be inside the machine control data folder. You can also go to our other tech video on how to load designs and get a better idea on that folder structure. But now that we have the control box powered up, first thing we're going to do is go to the config menu. We're going to go down to restore settings, hit the OK button, and then we're going to select machine settings and hit the OK button. Here we'll see a list of all the MCH files that we have in the box. We're going to find the specific one for the machine that we're on. We're going to highlight it and hit OK. Yeah, once it finishes updating, it'll give you a message reminding you to check your blade wear, hit OK, and then you can hit the back button to get out of the restore settings menu. Once you get back in the config menu, you're going to go to highlight select design and you're going to hit the OK button. Now highlight your design for the project and hit OK. If the design's not yet loaded in the control box, then again you can go back to our video on loading the design in the machine if you need more information on how to do that. So now back out into the main menu again, you're going to hit the installation button. It's the F2 button, second one down on the right. In this installation menu, we're going to go down, highlight connectivity settings, and you're going to hit OK. Highlight the select radio band and hit OK. You're going to make sure that if you have a dual band radio, you're set to 900 megahertz. That's what our GPS is running. You do not want to be on 2400 megahertz. That is for UTS total station. Now you're going to hit the OK button. You'll take a short pause while the radio configures. And now we'll want to highlight machine radio configuration on the connectivity menu and hit the OK button. We need to know what network the base station is on. We're going to use the up and down arrows to set this to match whatever the base is. Out here we're on network 2. Once we have on the correct number, hit the OK button. Now that the radio is set up for corrections, we can head back out to the main menu. We're going to hit the F1 button on the side of the screen to go back to the config menu. We're going to go down and highlight blade wear, and you're going to hit the OK button. Now you're going to need a tape measure or your grade ruler, and we're going to go measure the blade wear. Make sure when you measure the blade wear, you're measuring around the center area of the blade. This is just in case you have uneven wear on your cutting edge. Typically the center of the blade is the longest area, and this will prevent overcuts. Once we have this measurement, we get back up in the machine on the screen and we're going to put this in. Use the arrow keys up and down to change the numbers, and you're going to use the left and right arrows to change the number places. Make sure you are entering your blade wear in the correct units. We are using US survey feet, so we put in 0.38 feet as our blade wear. We're going to hit the OK button to save it. Now we can back out of the menus and get back to our working screen. Now you should see your machine on the screen and you can start seeing information. Now you're ready to check the machine in with your rover or your grade setter, or if you have a benchmark, and you can get to work.